Hey guys, so today I'm making Rice Krispie treats. I've already started melting my butter in my pot. So the things you're going to need is going to be 3 tablespoons of butter, about 40 of these large jumbo marshmallows, 6 cups of Rice Krispies, and then I don't have enough marshmallows, so I have some Peeps I'm going to throw in there too. I also have a couple bags of M&ms, but you don't have to add anything if you don't want. So go ahead and start heating your butter on low in your pot. Like I said, you need about 40 marshmallows in your pot, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting in my marshmallows and Peeps to melt on low heat with my butter. Okay, so I went ahead and put in all of my marshmallows and Peeps. I think I had about 22 marshmallows and 9 Peeps. But that's okay because the Peeps I think are about 1.5 size of the marshmallows, so I think it should be all right. I'm going to go ahead and cook these on low until they melt. Okay, so all of my marshmallows have melted. I went ahead and removed my pot from the heat. And the next step is to add in the Rice Krispies. Okay, so I'm adding in my 6 cups of Rice Krispies, and then I'm going to go ahead and start stirring in the Rice Krispies until everything is evenly coated with the marshmallows. Okay, so now my Rice Krispies are all mixed together, and I added in my M&ms. So now it's time to start spreading it into my pan. Okay, so I have this 13 by 9 pan that I've already sprayed with olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and start spreading my Rice Krispies into this pan. I'm going to have to put the camera down for a minute because I'm filming with one hand, but I'm going to spread it out and flatten it out with a spatula. Okay, so I went ahead and I already spread out my Rice Krispie mix, and then I flattened it with a spatula. Just a little tip, if you're using a spatula, you can spray the back of it with olive oil or Pam spray so that the spatula doesn't stick to the Rice Krispies when you're trying to flatten it out. So you're going to let it sit out now until it cools, about 30 minutes or so, and then you can cut it into little squares. Okay, so now that the Rice Krispies have cooled off for about 30 minutes, you can go ahead and cut them into squares. As you can see, we already snuck some of the Rice Krispies because we couldn't wait, and they're really tasty. Okay, so here are my finished Rice Krispie treats. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.